Welcome! Let's learn with MG stories and experience poem learning magic. Today, we'll explore question and answer on Plant Makes Food for EVS, Class 4. Get ready to test your knowledge and learn in a fun way. Multiple choice question 1. The gas absorbed by green plants for photosynthesis is A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, or D. Carbon monoxide. The correct answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Multiple choice question 2. Which part of a plant takes up water from the soil? A. Roots, B. Hydrogen, C. Stem, or D. Leaves. The correct answer is A. Roots. Multiple choice question 3. Which of the following is used to test for the presence of starch? A. Iodine solution, B. Oil, C. Water, or D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. Iodine solution. Multiple choice question 4. Plants are called blank because they make their own food. A. Heterotrophs, B. Consumers, C. Autotrophs, or D. Decomposers. The correct answer is C. Autotrophs. Let's fill in the blanks. The mode of nutrition in which green plants make their own food is called blank nutrition. Answer: autotrophic. The cell of leaves contains many tiny structures called blank, where photosynthesis takes place. Answer: chloroplasts. The stomata remain blank during the day in the presence of sunlight. Answer: open. Tiny pores present on the surface of the leaf allow the blank with the atmosphere. Answer: exchange of gases. The extra food that the plant does not use is converted into blank. Answer: starch. Blank and oxygen are the main end products of the photosynthesis process. Answer: glucose. More fill in the blanks. The opening and closing of the stomata is controlled by the blank. Answer: guard cells. The leaf is also called as the blank of the plant, as it is the site of photosynthesis. Answer: food factory. The green color of the leaf is due to the green color pigment called blank. Answer: chlorophyll. The leaf stalk is also called as blank. Answer: petiole. The tiny pores on leaves are known as blank. Answer: stomata. Blank gas is absorbed by the plants. Answer: carbon dioxide. The flat part of the leaf is called blank. Answer: leaf blade. Let's try some true or false. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in chloroplasts. Answer: true. Glucose is one of the end products of photosynthesis. Answer: true. Starch turns iodine solution into a blue-black color. Answer: true. Photosynthesis can occur even without sunlight. Answer: false. The word photo means light and synthesis means breaking down. Answer: true. Photosynthesis takes place only in green plants. Answer: false. Name the following. Name the vein running through the middle of a leaf. Answer: midrib. Name the part of the plant that prepares food. Answer: leaves. Name the part which attaches the leaf to its stem. Answer: petiole. The gas given out by plants during photosynthesis. Answer: oxygen. The green substance that helps the leaf absorb sunlight. Answer: chlorophyll. The food prepared by the plants. Answer: glucose. Name the process through which plants can make their own food. Answer: photosynthesis. Match the columns. 1. Vein matches with supports the structure of the leaf. 2. Food factory matches with leaf. 3. Stomata matches with tiny pore. 4. Starch matches with stored food. Short answers. In which form is the food stored in the leaf? Answer: food is stored in the form of starch in the leaves. What are heterotrophs? Answer: heterotrophs are organisms which depend on others for their food. Where do plants absorb water from? Answer: plants absorb water from soil through roots. How does carbon dioxide enter the leaves? Answer: the tiny pores called stomata on the surface of leaves allow air to enter the leaves. What is the function of chlorophyll? Answer: chlorophyll traps or absorbs sunlight and converts carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Short answers continue. What is stomata? Explain its function. Answer: the tiny pores present on the underside of the leaf blade are called stomata. The stomata remain open during the day in the presence of sunlight to take in carbon dioxide. Function: the stomata allow the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. How do plants control global warming? Answer: plants use the carbon dioxide gas present in the air and thus reduce the amount of carbon dioxide present in it. It also helps to maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen, which is good for life on Earth. What happens to the extra food that is not used by the plant? Answer: the extra food that the plant does not use becomes starch and is stored in different parts of the plant like roots, seeds, leaves, stems, or fruits. More short answers. What is photosynthesis? Answer: photosynthesis is a process by which green plants prepare their own food, glucose, using raw materials like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight with help of chlorophyll. Photosynthesis plays an important role in preventing global warming. Answer: green plants maintain the carbon dioxide level of the atmosphere, thereby controlling global warming. What is chlorophyll? Answer: chlorophyll is a green pigment present in chloroplasts that helps capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Why is sunlight important for photosynthesis? Answer: sunlight provides the energy needed by leaves to prepare food. Long answer. Write the significance of photosynthesis. Answer: photosynthesis is one of the most important processes for life as it provides food. Green plants are autotrophs and produce food by themselves. The food produced by green plants is utilized either directly or indirectly by all the other organisms in the food chain. It maintains the carbon dioxide and oxygen balance in the atmosphere. Green plants take in CO2 and release O2, maintaining the gaseous balance necessary for life on Earth. It also controls global warming. Green plants maintain the CO2 level in the atmosphere, helping manage the greenhouse effect. The end products of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. The food, glucose, prepared by plants is utilized for growth, and the extra food is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant like root, stem, and fruit. Long answer. Explain the process of photosynthesis. Answer: the process of photosynthesis is as follows. Chlorophyll in leaves traps sunlight. Carbon dioxide from air enters the leaves through stomata. Water and minerals from soil are absorbed by roots and go up to the stem and leaves. The food is prepared using carbon dioxide, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Oxygen is released by stomata. Why does photosynthesis take place only in the leaves? Answer: photosynthesis generally takes place in leaves as they contain chlorophyll, which captures sunlight. Leaves generally have a thin, flat, and wide surface for absorption of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Leaves have stomata for exchange of gases such as carbon dioxide and oxygen. They also have an extensive network of tissue to help with the transport of materials to and from the leaves. Long answer. Structure of leaf, or name the different parts of a leaf. Answer: the flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. Midrib is the main vein running down the middle of the leaf. Veins are present throughout the blade and support the structure of the leaf. The leaf stalk or petiole is the part which attaches itself to the stem. Stipule is a pair of leaf outgrowths present at the base of leaf stalk or petiole. It is not present in all plants. Why is photosynthesis important for living beings on Earth? Answer: photosynthesis is important because it prepares food for plants, and all living beings depend on plants for food. It also releases oxygen needed for breathing. Additionally, it maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air and helps reduce global warming by using carbon dioxide. Let's compare. Autotrophs. Most plants have the ability to make their own food and are called autotrophs. Example: green plants, algae. Heterotrophs. All other living things that do not have the ability to make their own food are called heterotrophs. Example: humans, animals, fungi. Petiole. The petiole is the small stalk that connects the leaf blade to the stem. It helps to hold the leaf and allows nutrients and water to pass from stem to leaf. For example, mango leaf. Stipules. Stipules are small leaf-like structures found at the base of the petiole. They protect the young leaf when it is growing. For example, in plants like pea, you can see stipules. Give reasons. Leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Answer: the leaves prepare food for the plant. All living organisms are dependent on the plant directly or indirectly for food. Hence, leaves are called a food factory of the plant. Leaves are green in color. Answer: leaves are green in color because of the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. Iodine solution is used to test starch. Answer: iodine, which is yellowish-brown, changes into black or blue in the presence of starch. Therefore, iodine is used to detect the presence of starch. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more engaging lessons and learning magic.